Hey everyone, if you've clicked on this video, you probably want to know about my no spend challenge for the month of April in 2022. So this is how it's all going to roll out. First, I figured out my why and what I wanted to spend the money on that I was going to save and give me purpose when I feel like I'm not going to make it. After that, I set my budget. So the budget included everything that I'd need for the house, like all of our essentials, utilities, which also included groceries and gas. The next thing I did was figured out my meal plan for the month, but I did that in 3 different steps. First, I went around to my fridge and my freezer and my pantry and I saw what was already there. Then making my list for the month was a whole lot easier. I knew also that I wasn't going to be spending a lot of money on groceries because I can use the things that I already have. When it came to making my grocery list, I put down the things that I needed for the extra meals like potatoes or milk. Well, you can't go a whole month without milk. But I also planned for those extra expenses, so I picked up some croissants and some bacon, different things like that to kind of offset the excess spending that would just naturally happen out of convenience. What's going to happen next is this. I'm going to leave my MasterCard and my debit card at home, which should help to curb some spending. April for us actually is quite busy and we are going to have some days away from the house. For the majority of our meals, we're going to be bringing our own food and taking care of it that way. If you have things planned in your no spend month, tweak them a little bit. Use a gift card. It's kind of like free money. Pack extra food. You can make it work. Instead of going out with your friends, have them over or do a potluck. I'm sure your friends and family will understand if you are doing a challenge and trying to make good decisions. I'm looking forward to this part of the challenge the most. Accomplishing tasks that I would have put aside. In those times that you might go shopping, use that time instead to accomplish some tasks that you wouldn't normally make priority. If this intrigues you, then why don't you click on this video here where I'm going to break down how I planned our menu for the month and what was in our fridge and pantry and freezer and what groceries I went to buy to feed our family.